Okay? Sige ate. We will start our discussion na. Okay? Sige, move a little bit here. Tapos, okay. Is that one? You have air with you?
No.
Sige.
Like this.
Sige. Okay. Sige. So for today ate, we will have our discussion ha on multiplication ate in some parts of the division. After that one, I will teach you the division part ha. Okay. Sige.
33.
What if you have this one?
2,365. There's flight here.
Sige daw.
There's a flight. I can focus well when there's a flight.
Very good. Okay. Multiply. I want you to align it ha.
Ay.
Nine times 6 ate, how much pala 9 times 6?
9 times 6, 54.
You have 4 man in here. Kalimutan na naman.
That's 58.
Very good. Next.
Line over electric fan. Electric fan kasi it might dry the water.
Next.
Or here na.
Sige, okay lang.
I'll do it.
Gagawin ko na. Okay, next again.
9 times 3. 37 plus 5. 37.
Wow, so refreshing.
It's really refreshing
Yes,
with the
ate.
fan.
Wow. Sige, go.
27 to 1. 82. Super refreshing.
Di ba ito, no? It's so nice.
Wait, did I make it align?
Yeah.
This is 7 times 5.
Kulang pa.
Oh, 3.
9 times 2 pa.
9 times 2.
How much?
Ay, wait, let me.
Tama yun siya na 3. Tama yun siya na 2.
I was doing 9 times 3. 9 times 2. Wait, 9 times 2 is 18.
18. Tapos?
Ay, 9 times. Ay, yeah, that's 18.
Oh, bakit i-erase mo lang yung 3?
Wait, what? 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 3, 9 times 2.
9 times 2, how much?
18.
Next. Next.
32.
18 plus 3? Ate, di ba plus 3 ito?
Wait, I don't get it. I don't know what happened. 9 times 5, 9 times 6. 9 times... Oh, yeah. 9 times 3 is 27. And then I add 5 to that.
Next.
7 times 5, 35. When I do 7 times 5, I need to use that.
Ate, this one, 9 times 2 palagi. 9 times 2.
9 times 2 is 18.
Next. Ate, wala. 9 times 2, how much?
18.
Plus 3.
21.
O, saan may susulat sa 21? No, ate. In here, oh. Di ba 9 times 5? That's 45, you carry 4. 9 times 6, 54 plus 4, 58, you carry 5. 9 times 3, 27 plus 5, 32. Ilagay mo dito yung 2, dito yung 3. 9 times 2, 18 plus 3, 21. It's a straight, ate. Why are you putting the 21 in here? It's not 7 pa, sa 9 pa yun sa ate.
Still 9.
Next, 7 na.
Wait, what did I do again? Because you teach me super fast. I just got plus.
Sige, ate ha, this one listen, ate. 9 times 5.
That's 45.
You put in here 5, you carry 4. 9 times 6.
9 times 6 is 54.
Oh, plus 4.
Plus 4, 4. 8.
Oh, 8 in here, you carry 5. 9 times 3.
9 times 3. 27.
Plus 5.
32.
Oh, you put in here 2, you carry 3. 9 times 2.
18.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. 21.
Oh, 21. Do not put in here, ate, because hindi ka pa man sa 7. Sa 9 ka pa man. Gets?
Yes.
Oh, next.
7 times 5 is 35.
Oh, saan may lalagay si 35?
Am I right? 35.
Ate, di ba i-carry si 3? Next.
7 times 6.
Hmm.
44. 42. 40.
Ate. Di ba 42? You have 3 in here pa. Oh, you always forgot to carry. 42 plus 3.
45.
Next.
7 times 3, 27. 7 times 3, 21 plus 5.
Ha? Bakit plus 5? Plus 4.
24? Ay, 7, 21. 21. 25.
Siya sulat. Next.
First thing.
Go. Huwag dyan, kinakomeran ang video mo.
Um,
Next.
where am I? 7 times 2? 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4. 16.
Oh, saan ka maglagay? Saan ang straight ni 6? Di ba, align?
Yes.
Who is align of 6? What number? Very good. Next.
8 times 5. 8. Okay. 40.
Bakit dyan ka nagsulat, ate? Bakit dyan ka nagsulat? Ate, bakit dyan ka nagsulat? Di ba? From time to time, you leave a space. One space, one space. Oops, hindi dyan. Hindi dyan, ate. Ate, the 9 ate is this one. For the 7 is this one. For the 8, right below at this one. Oh, bakit you put a line lagi? Do not put a line. Na 8 times 5.
8 times 8 times 5 40.
We're going to put the 40.
Yeah.
Bakit dyan? You put in here, ate, oh. You put 0 in here. You carry the 4. Leave space, ate. Leave space, leave space.
Wait, did I do 8 times?
Yes, ate, 8 times 5.
8 times 5 plus 40. I put 0 here. Put 4.
Oh, next.
So, 8 times 6.
How much?
48.
May nakalimutan ka na naman.
48.
May nakalimutan ka, ate. Di ba nag-carry ka?
Yes.
Anong gagawin mo sa carry mo?
Add.
Sige, add.
48. 52.
52. Bakit dyan mo lagi isulat ang 5? Di ba, ate? You've got 52. The number in here, ate, at the right is in here. The number at the left, you put it as a carry.
Okay.
Next.
8 times
8 times 3.
24.
24. Very good. That's 5. How much? 24 plus 5, 30?
24. 29.
Next.
So, 8 times 2. That's 16. Plus 2. 18. So, there's no number na. If there's
Very
no
good.
number,
Next.
we have space.
Bilang paper,
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Diba, sabi mo nga ko ang ice, akala ko lang ang ice tea.
Sige na, ate.
Nasa iyo, sir.
Sa ano ako, ma'am? Sa downtown ako sa Matina, Nagabahan.
Eh, kamay lang.
Yes po, ma'am. Next.
8 times plus 5. 5 plus 13.
Mm.
Wait, we still have to review this one. If I'm answering the number
No,
9,
ate, you can do that one na. Do not review it na.
wait, I didn't notice a 0. Where did I?
Do not review it na. Tama na yan.
1, 5.
8. Next. Ate, can you please lend me the Oreo? Oreo lang, ate.
Yes.
Sige, next. Next, ate.
There's some, 6 plus 9. Still have.
Hmm?
6 plus 9. 15. Wait, that's a super big number.
Count it properly ba? 1, 2, 3, comma. Next.
1, 2, 3, comma.
1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3,
4.
comma. Oh, how to read that number?
2,000.
It's a 2,000.
I don't know how to call that number.
Start in here, ones,
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, million,
10,000,
10,000, 300,
100,000,
100,000, and
million.
million.
Ulit, from the top.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions.
Read it.
2 million, 10,000, 2 million,
2 million?
2 million,
Oh, it's not
100,000,
100,000. 2 million, 78.
78,835.
Ulit, from the top.
Of course,
Kasi go, get ice cream. Ma'am, later ma'am ba? Paghingi ako ng mga maliliit na aloe vera, isa lang mas na. Like, ganito lang ma'am ba? Like ito. Like mga ganito
Ganyan
lang. Oo, like ganyan lang. Ilagay ko sa room ko ma'am, ano lang ba? Pampatanggal ng init. Oo ma'am, actually,
Hanapin ako.
Nakakali ka ma'am?
I just got a baby ones.
Huh?
I just got a baby one.
You just got a
What are you getting?
I'm getting aloe vera. Okay.
Oh, wait it again. 2,078,800,000.
78,000?
2,078,835.
Yes, thank you ma'am. Okay, tama ate.
Sabi
So that's
sa parang 2,078,835.
So ibig sabihin ate, you aligned it properly ha? Tapos you make sure ate, if you input your answer, dapat ano siya ate?
Wait, where did I? Where's the number?
I erased it already. Okay, this one. Try natin ito. Faster.
I didn't bring my watches.
Later, atin pa. Go.
I got this number.
How to read this number?
1,500.
Huh?
15,342.
Oh, so 1, 2, 3, you put, comma. Sige, next. So, wait.
386.
600? Ano 300?
687
Sige, put it.
times.
Baka hulog ang baso mo ha. You put it there. Yan. Doon mo sa tray ate. Yan, you put it there. Yan. Sige, start.
Are the small numbers always at the...
Kung sino yung first mentioned in here, that's at the top. Make sure you have a space na gilagay ha. Para maging align siya. Okay, start.
I'll try not to talk while answering.
Ito.
Kasi if I'm at school, I always talk and my classmates cannot focus. So,
That's why, ano ate, you keep your mouth shut lang, ha? When you answer.
Because I'm eating.
Go. Ay, nakalimutan ang plus 2. You forgot the plus 2. Sige, isa pa. Next. Oops, saan ka? 7 times 1 pa. Where are you putting the 10? Di ba ate, you are not, ano ba sa ating lesson ba? This one. Di ba you got 7 times 2, 14. What happened ate? Di ba sa 7 ka pa? You didn't move to 8? If you move to 8, that's the time that you put your answer in here. 7 ka pa man, 7 times 1. It's 7 plus 3, 10. Where are you going to put the 10?
Here.
Hindi ka pa lagi sa 8. You are not at 8 pa. So you put 10 in here. Straight ate sa first mo na answer. Sige, put. O sige, review muna tayo ate kasi pag hindi mo siya makuha, di ba, ulit ko talaga sa'yo. This one. Pag once na you didn't finish 7 ate, automatic, all of your answers will be straight ahead ha, all of it. If you move to 8, for example, 8 times 2, 8 times 2 how much?
16.
That's the time that you put your answer in here. Okay ha?
Like this.
Oh, ulit. If you didn't finish 7 or the first number, you continuously put your number in here. You understand it?
Yeah.
Next, if you move ate, a number, automatically that's the time ate that you put your answer at the bottom of your first answer.
If this is the number next,
Yes, ate. Oh, very good. Nakuha mo na. Oh, sige, go. Proceed with 8, ate. Go. This is 9 ha. Oh, ayusin mo ate. Ako. Sige. Next. Opo. 8 times 2.
8 times 2.
Go. Saan? Oops. Di ba you put it at the bottom? Di ba what did I told you? You need to leave a space. One space. So saan sulat si 6?
Here, and 1 to 6 here and 1
Oh, you put 6 in here, ate, under 9.
I thought you said 8. I will put straight ahead.
Yes, ate. This one, alisan muna tayo ha.
This is where I put the 6.
Ate, 8 times 2.
8 times 2,
16. You put in here 6, ate. You put in here 1. So you put your number, ate, under the first answer. Pero you need to leave us one space, di ba? Oh, for example, 6 times 2. Where are you going to put the number?
6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12.
Where are you
This is
going to
where I put 1 and this is where I put 2.
Di ba, ate? You put it under in here.
Under?
Sige, good. Oh, 8 times 2. Continue mo, ate. 8 times 2.
Oh yeah, pala. 6 times 2. 6. Still answer 8 times 2. But if I answer 6 times 2, that's 12. And this is where I put the 1 and this is where I put the.
Sige, 8 times 2, 16. Oh, next.
I'll do it right.
Next. Go.
Kasi it doesn't look like 6. I might be always
6 wala. Next. 8 times?
times 4.
Oh, how much?
16, 20. I'll just be quiet. 28. 28 plus 1.
8 times 4, 28?
8 times 4. 32 plus
1, 1, 1, 1.
28, 32, 33.
Oh, we're going to put the 3.
This is-
Next. Saan ang 3 na isa? Next.
Okay, I got it. What's next? 8 times 3.
Hmm.
34.
Next. Nakalimutan na naman, oh. 8 times 4. Wait lang. 8 times 3, 24. Ba't ka nakalimutan?
12. Add
Oh.
8 times 3, that's 34. Okay, 30. I'll take in my mind. Okay, 27.
Next.
I have to put it straight.
Next.
8 times 5.
Next. Wala pa natapos.
6 times 8 times 1.
Hmm.
8 and add 4. 8, 12.
We're going to put the 12.
Here. I'll create a space.
Next.
I got it right. 6 times 3.
Hmm.
6 times 2, that's 12.
You put your answer in here, ate. Pero di ba what I told you? You leave lagi one space. One space? One space.
Oh.
So we're going to put the 2.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Next.
If I'm done answering this, one space na here.
Yes, one space na naman. For example, there's another number. You write it in here, ate, pero you leave a space. Next.
And
6
that
times
next
4.
number, I have to leave a space.
Yes,
always.
ate. Sige, next. 6 times. Next. Ay,
Wait,
correct na ba? Ay, babala. Oh. Sige.
6 times 4. 6 times 4.
6 times 4.
24. 24. It's 24. Wait, 6 times 4. That's 24 and add
Very
1.
good. How much?
25.
Hmm.
That's number 2. Was it right here?
Write it properly. Okay.
25.
Next, next.
Is there ano? Hindi na brown out?
Yeah, hindi na run out. Next.
6 times 4. 6 times
6 times 3. You know today that I'm wearing pink?
Yes.
You also wear pink. Kasi na. Sir, 6 times 3. 6 times 3. 18. Tapos, last?
18 plus 2.
How much?
30.
20. Okay.
Every time we count, we sometimes don't say 0. When we always say like 1, 2, 3. Tapos sometimes people add 0 like 0, 1. But is 0 kicked out of the number?
No, ate.
Like Pluto?
It's not kicked out. Okay, sige, sulat na.
I just forgot to write in a second.
Next.
6 times 5.
6 times 5, how much? Thank you, ma'am. Next.
If the flight out like it's gonna bite me.
Wait lang. 6 times 5, 13. You didn't add lagi 2. 6,
32.
oh, 32. You put in here 2, you carry 3.
I have to write 2.
No, dito, dito. Yan, 2. Okay, next. 6 times.
Wait, what did I write? 0.
Tama yun siya na 0.
Kasi dating lang yung 0.
Hindi, ate, di ba you've got this one? 6 times 3, 18 plus 2,
Plus 2.
20. That's why you put 0 in here.
Oh.
You put 2. Nakalimutan mo?
I thought I add 30 like this.
Hindi, ate. Next. Sige, next.
I still remember you're just not getting mad at me.
Mm.
Because this there.
Next.
6 times 5. What is that?
6 times 1.
Times 1. Plus. That's 6 plus 2. 9.
Okay. Next. What's next?
Do I always leave a space here?
Yes, ate. If you are going to move downwards, gani, you make sure to leave a 1 space lang, ate, ha?
Without any space, without any numbers?
Oh, without any numbers. You understand it?
Yes.
Okay, sige, add it na. Okay, para next naman tayo ng number, para marami ka ma-practice,
Wait,
ate.
what time are we gonna add?
Later pa, 2. Add na. What are you doing pa? Oh,
I
add.
thought I was there to answer something.
Go. Continue. Next. Wait, 3 plus 3, that's 6. Oh, tama, 9. Next. Tama pala.
7 plus 7.
Yeah.
9. Why is my leg always... My leg feels itchy because it feels like I'm inside the bag like me.
Go. Seven. Oh, tama. Next.
Hello. No, number 6.
Sige.
I'll count 1, 2, 3, and come on. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Oh, how do you read that number?
Wait, first get ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, thousands,
And?
ten thousands, hundred thousands, and millions.
Millions. Next.
Millions.
Millions. 10 million.
10 million.
Oh, how do you read that one?
10 million 500. I get 10 million 5,000.
Oh, 500.
10 million 5. I haven't learned these numbers before.
Go,
I
ulit.
didn't practice that in school. 10,000, 10 million 500,
30.
39,954.
Isa pa.
10 million 539,954.
Very good. Okay, that's how you do it, ate, ha? Sige.
If there's a next number here, what is it gonna be called?
Okay, next.
We'll learn that later.
Sige, ate. Answer na.
There's one. I'll just put my handwriting a bit small. It's like what you told me, what I see, the first number is on the top.
Next.
But 4,000, what 4,000, how do I read that? 4,000,
What's the first thing that you are going to do? Di ba yung count?
ones, tens,
1, 2, 3, kama.
2, 3,
Lagay kama, lagay kama.
Oh,
Oh, how do you read that number?
42,321.
Oh.
That is fast.
Next. Sige, sulat down.
Oh, like 1,
Very good.
2, 3,
Very good.
4,
Align. Align, ha? Next.
2,
Next.
and 4.
Okay, next. Multiply. Tama. Sige, multiply, ate. Times. Doon, oh. Doon, isulat ang times. Okay, start.
I'll first ito, cupcake because there's,
Go, go, go. Right after this one, ate, mag-division tayo, ha? On Wednesday. That's, I think that's the last na, ate.
last two part?
No po. I mean, last na lesson. Tapos right after
Last
that
math,
one.
and next pang math, makabansa. What next na? Science or makabansa?
Makabansa. Sige, go.
I know what they're talking about. I know their language, but I just don't know what they're talking about. I mean, like they say, I already know the president is Bongbong Marcos, pero and then my teacher asks me a question like, who is the helper? Sino ang
Sino tumutulong?
Yeah, tumutulong.
Sino, answer mo na.
1 times 1. That's 1.
Next.
2 times 3. That's 3.
Next. Very good, next. 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 Huh?
Like 4, 8, 12. I think I got this.
We're going to put the 1
On top of
on top of
2.
2. Saan na 2? Hindi dyan. Yan, ate. Saan mo sulat si 2? Very good, next. Hmm.
Ano ba sa'yo ako?
Okay, very good. Oh, bakit dyan? Eh, bakit ay?
Again, 4 times 9.
No, 9. Saan mo sulat si 9?
Straight.
Yan, ate.
There's no
You always at lost. Dito. Add.
What time is it? What time is it?
Later na.
We're going to put the numbers. There will be no space.
You put it in here. Sige. Next. 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 Wala ka lagi na carry 1. Hindi, carry 1 ka pa isa. Yan. Di ba 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 1, 17. You put already 7 in here, you carry 1. Next. How to read the number?
1, 2, 3. Tama. 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
Ones, tens, thousands,
Huh?
One, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, 100,000, millions. 9,776,151.
Isa pa. Napagbasa. Tama yun siya. It's correct.
9,776,151.
Correct. Okay.
If there's a number next here, what is it gonna be called? I feel
For example, I will put in here 1. Oh, if I will put in here 1, how do you read it 1?
still like 19,776,151.
Next.
219,776,151.
Correct. That's how you do it, ha? Okay. So this one, review lang tayo ata sa basics kaya we're almost finished na. Sige daw.
No, so
Multiplication table. Oh, sige. Multiplication table of 1.
multiplication table of 1.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Multiplication table of 2.
I'll do it slowly because I might 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 18, 10,
Next. Multiplication table of 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 18,
15.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 28, 24, 27,
Sa 4.
4, 8, 12. Oh, try using my fingers. Got it?
Go.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20, 24, 30, 32,
28.
28, 32, 39, 36, 40.
Isa pa.
4, but I said it, memorized it. 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
You memorize it, ha? I want na you memorize it. No, stop, stop. Next, 5. That's your assignment, ha? 5. Go.
5, 8, 5, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 20,
20.
25, 30, 35, 40, 45,
Isa pa.
7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40,
Ano 40?
30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
6.
6, 12. I kind of forget 5 because I counted, I practiced all the numbers and for class. Habit lang. But I still memorize it. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42, 49, 48, 56,
4.
54, 54, 60,
Isa pa.
6, 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42, 48, 54, 54, 60,
Isa pa. Because you are not confident.
6, 6, 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Yan. 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 28. I was counting it too fast. 7, 14, 21, 20, 28, 28, 42,
35.
35, 42, 49, 56, 62,
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48, 9, 56, 63, 73.
That's how you do it, ha? 8 na.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72,
Very good. 9.
7, 9, 18, 27. I'll do it slowly because of it. 9, 18, 30, 37, 9, 18, 37, 36, 40, 45, 54, 63, 7, 63, 72, 81, 9.
Isa pa.
Huh? Then it comes to
Wala. Pero you are not confident in that. Isa pa.
9, 18, 37. Again, I'll just try soon. So 9, 18, 37, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
10.
I'll try doing it faster. 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 100.
Very good. Okay. Ito na pinaka-last na ito.
If I have an exam, I just have to count slowly na lang. Because I count super fast kasi that's why I made a mistake.
Wait lang.
I'm ready for it.
Hindi ka pwede.
3 plus 8. 11. If I try not to do, I'll try not to do the solution, but I'll take the solution in my mind.
Ganun po 11 pa. That's a...
I have to divide it.
Very good. Make it into a mixed number. 65 divided by 42.
65 divided by 42.
What are you going to do?
I'll try and add on.
Here.
I'll try small numbers like 4. I still remember it. 4 times 2. 4, 8, 16.
12.
4, 8, 12, 16. Now that's good.
Next.
Good.
Oh, minus.
That's very big. So the answer is 1.
Tama. 1 times 42.
43.
Next. Okay.
Let me turn it into a mixed number here. The one on top is a big number.
Next.
23, 42, and we still have
Very good.
That's 12.
Very good. 12. Okay? You did a good job. Ito. Hindi na time.